This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Kim. Introducing this beautiful, well-maintained 3-bed/2.5-bath/1-car garage townhome located in Stonebridge Place's highly desirable gated community. The home features an excellent open floor plan, providing abundant natural light. It is fully upgraded, with tile and wood flooring, window treatments, modern lighting, and a screened lanai. The kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and a newer kitchen faucet and sink. The master suite has a spacious walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with dual vanity sinks, a garden tub, and a private toilet. All other bedrooms also have large closets and ample space. Washer and dryer included. Take advantage of the wonderful community amenities including a sparkling community pool, fitness center and playground. Great location, Universal Studio, Disney theme parks, downtown, only minutes away from top-rated schools, major highways, outlet malls, iDrive, Restaurant Row, and so much more. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. No pets, no smoking. For more information, review the details below.